Welcome. Let's solve this inequality with a different twist. Here I am going to solve the left to become a single fraction. So I'm having 2x plus 1 divided by 3, 3x minus 1 divided by 2 less or equals to 0. So the LCM I am not going to use to multiply, but rather divide the left only. So if the LCM is 6, meaning that 3 goes here 2 times, that 2 multiply the numerator, then 2 also goes here 3 times, the 3 multiply the numerator, less or equals to 0. So we expand the bracket. 2 times 2x, that will be 4x, 2 times 1 will be 2, 3 times 3x will be 9x, and 3 times minus 1 will be 3. All still divided by what? 6, less or equals to 0. We group like terms, that will give you 4x plus 9x plus 2 minus 3 all over 6 less or equal to 0. So you can see here now this will be 4x plus 9x will be 13x. So I still have 13x. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1 divided by 6 less or equal to 0. So in this case, we can now multiply by the LCM. So if I multiply, I'll be having 13x minus 1 less or equal to 0. Multiplying through 0 times 6. So I think this can also be 6. 13x minus 1 over 6. 6 times what? 0. That is what gives birth to this. So now this will transpose to that place. So this will be giving you 13x less or equals what? 1. So 13x less or equals 1. We divide by 13 by 13. X will be less or equals what? 1 on 13. So this is making the left being a single fraction before we transpose into that space.